everyone. This week we are going to make tom kha soup. So this is focusing on the post-Neolithic, and with this we're going to go ahead and prep the ingredients ahead of time and just get them ready to go in there. To put together the broth, what you're going to do is take the heads, tails, and shells of the shrimp, lemongrass stalk, garlic cloves, galago root, and add the kaffir lime leaves. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and add in the 4.5 cups of water. Let that get to a simmer, then a boil, and once you hit a boil, you're going to go ahead and turn down the heat, put a lid on, and you're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Once that is simmering, go ahead and start chopping up the mushrooms and the shallot and the lime. You're going to want these mushrooms cut long ways just because of the shape of them. Try to keep them pretty thin. You're going to cut the shallot by cutting off the tips and then just kind of quartering it. This is going to provide a little more flavor to the soup, and then you're just going to slice the lime in half. Once the broth is done simmering, what you're going to do is you're going to strain out the ingredients. This is specifically because we just really want the liquid. Once that's done, you've added it back to the stock pot. Go ahead and add the mushrooms and the shallots. Let that go ahead and cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and add the shrimp, stir them in, and you're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes. From there, we're going to go ahead and add in the sugar, fish sauce, and coconut milk. You're going to stir it in and let it cook for another minute. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and add the lime juice, stir it in, and then it should be ready to serve. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you to our patron. Thank you guys. Have a great day.